Hello everybody, I'm Chef Eric Low. Today I'm here at Giant Tampines. Chunjie or Spring Festival is here again. I'm sure everybody is wondering what to cook for their reunion dinner. For those of you who are too busy to prepare a lavish meal, yet you do not want to dine out and brave the crowds, don't worry. A steamboat meal is a great easy solution. Giant offers you the key ingredients at lower prices that last, so that you can put together a delicious steamboat experience. Come, let's shop smart and check out the great finds at Giant to enjoy some savings. The Chinese classic hot pot meal also represents reunion and family bonding. To get a delicious steamboat meal, the trick is to get your broth right and the freshest ingredients. With Swanson's clear chicken broth, you get a foolproof hot pot base. Simmered with real chicken, you get a full flavor of chicken, vegetables and seasonings. It is 99% fat-free and contains no added preservatives. This household brand is a must-have for your hot pots. Lee Kum Kee Panda Oyster Sauce has a rich, robust flavor and is ideal for marinating meats. You can also make a dipping sauce with garlic, sesame oil and Lee Kum Kee light soy sauce. Don't forget to add QP roasted sesame dressing to your shopping cart. It goes very well with boiled meats like pork shabu shabu. And for the chili lovers, do not forget your Maggi chili sauce. A steamboat meal is incomplete without prawns. Prawns, which is pronounced as ha in Cantonese, sounds like laughter. When you eat it, you will be filled with happiness for the whole year. Baname prawns are affordable, delicious and easy to cook. They add a dose of sweetness to your hot pot base. You can also grill and serve them with your favorite dipping sauce. Pork is an auspicious ingredient for hot pots. Having it during Chinese New Year simply means to enjoy a prosperous year ahead, or as they say in Chinese, 过个大肥年. Adding these pork ribs to your hot pot base gives you a richer stock, while the minced pork is great for meatballs, and the adults will simply love the pork belly. Fish is an important ingredient during Chinese New Year because it symbolizes 年年有余. Giant offers a variety of fish at great prices so that you save more. The sea bass and the golden pomfret are excellent choices. Don't forget your steamboat favorites like fish ball and egg tofu. If you like to offer more varieties to your guests, these are flavorful and tasty additions to your hot pot. Here at Giant, we have all the varieties that you can think of, from cheese tofu, fish ball with roe, sotong ball, and much more. Well, last but not least, you will still need your greens. Take your pick. Ladies, 祝你们永远青春美丽. For those doing business, 祝你们在牛年幸运发大财. And there you have it, a selection of items at lower prices that last, so that you can create an affordable and delicious steamboat meal. Here's Giant wishing you and your family a fabulous time feasting and bonding in the coming year of the ox. 祝大家恭喜发财，花啦！